This is a story about how a world market garden table became a hat rack. So the garden table had some cool wood grain patterns on it. I mean, it's from World Market, so they got pretty good shit. It's not too bad. But when we got this house, they left the garden table behind. It had like a broken leg. You know, once one of the legs is broken, you just gotta put it down. So it turned into a hat rack. Eventually. First, it needed a lot of sanding. Not really. There wasn't that many pieces. This is more dancing and sanding, for sure. Blonde moment number 1. Stare at the board. Maybe something will happen if you just stare at it. A little longer. A little longer. You know what? I'm thirsty. Oh, this is a nice one. My dog got stuck in the bed frame there. I don't know how. He walked under just fine and decided he just didn't want to know how to get out for like a while. And I didn't even notice. I must have been listening to Nicki Minaj. Wow. He's still just laying there. That's wild. Oh shit. Sometimes you just gotta throw a dog a ball. Wait, what was in the garage? I needed something. What was in there? What the fuck? Oh, it's a brush. I had to speed up this measure because it took so long. This is like the ultimate blonde moment right here. Because I still measured twice, even though it took me like minutes to make the measure. Wow. And like, this is still blonde. What the fuck? Yeah. Sometimes eyeballing is the best thing, you know? It's easy. You got it. It's an exercise. Yes. I was trying to say that technically you're supposed to cut the board the other way, but since you need the cut in the wrong direction, honestly, it doesn't matter. You know why. I realized I didn't work there, so I'm like, maybe I should move it. And I left everything over God, looks like I'm high chewing gum, meth head style. I might just leave in the hammering because it sounds so funny. Honestly, probably should have sped this up, but I still might. I think I don't know. Anywho, you're not supposed to drill all the way because you want enough space that the screw can grab onto the wood and like tighten it to the other piece. And that way it's super sturdy because you get all that thickness between two pieces of wood. I feel like there's a better way to describe this. You just don't drill into the other board, you know? You stop like half an inch before getting through that first board. And then you can just use the screw. Get the rest of it. Well, it worked for this one. The next one I had some issues. Some issues. A custom. It's a disease. Cursing disease. It's on the right neck. This is the one I fuck up on. See, you don't drill it in straight down. You take a right turn there, and then boom, it's through your board. Dun, dun, dun. And I couldn't get it out just with the drill, so I had to get I think I used pliers to get it out. You just push the bottom and screw and you have pressure. it'll come up. I just went with a hand. More control, technically. You can feel the screw. You can't really feel it the same with the drill. And then it took me a little while to make it better. I would drill another hole. This was fun. In order to get the right angle, I used the screwdriver to push it to the side I wanted it to, point to, and drill it into the back. Because I didn't want it to coming up front anymore. I wanted it to go to the back of the board. It worked. Amazing. You can't even tell. Literally. Oh, I needed a better screw. A thicker one. A thicker screw. This is a fun hammering position. Man, I chew gum so fast. It's really bothering me. And then times 2. Then it's just clear coating these babies. Nice slick feel to them. You could leave them plain when it is indoor. I just thought they would look nice with a clear coat because they have a really nice wood grain pattern on them. And I also fucked up that one, the drill or the screw through the bottom. So, you don't get splinters usually when you use clear coat. It covered up all those mess ups. Just a chicken in the background doing things. The pegs that I used for hat holders, it was some wood that I found in the canal nearby. Wink, wink. But it's like siding. It's washed up. And I just attached it by hammering a nail through the back of the hat rack. And that way I have the nail sticking up. I just drilled a hole into the peg and put it on top and hammered it on. And it's pretty sturdy, I'd say. Worked out pretty good.